Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best power twisters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Core Prodigy Python Exercise Power Twister. This power twister boasts long handles that allow you to increase or decrease the resistance levels as you wish. Again, its engineering is done with strength and user comfort in mind. Its construction involves high-grade carbon steel and rubber gripping handles to make sure that this is met. You can, therefore, rest assured that this power twister will endure even the toughest workouts. This power twister also allows you to modify the resistance levels simply by moving your hands in or out of the grip. You will also appreciate that this exercising tool individually aims at strengthening and building your upper body. Given that customer satisfaction is guaranteed for this product, you should proceed to buy with ultimate confidence. Moving on at number 4, we have the RELIANCER 22 to 440 pounds adjustable power twister. The RELIANCER power twister is equipped with a rotating knob that allows you to adjust it to different resistance levels. This, therefore, eliminates the need to purchase a new one in instances where your force levels increases. The good thing is that it has an easy-to-use knob that allows for an effortless adjustment of intensity levels. This way, you will easily achieve your fitness goals. This power twister proves to be incredibly safe and durable owing to its hydraulic adjustment system. For this reason, you don't have to worry about things like springs breaking, or a deformation that can hurt you. Besides, this power twister adopts a completely enclosed hydraulic cylinder that guarantees stable resistance strength. It also prides itself on an ergonomically designed handle for a comfortable grip. At number 3, we have the iHuniu Dual Spring Power Twister Bar. The iHuniu power twister comes with multiple strength options ranging from 20 up to 100 kilograms. It is, therefore, fit both for lightweight and heavyweight strength resistance. For this reason, it will allow you to begin training with the lightweight resistance when you are not so sure of your strength level. Apart from that, this power twister features high-grade steel construction. This is the reason why it will withstand long-term use of extreme workouts without deforming. This power twister is also equipped with non-slip plastic handles and high-density wristbands. You, therefore, don't have to worry about it falling or slipping from your hands even if they are sweaty. What's more, this power twister will offer you multiple training postures for better muscle strengthening. For instance, the inward bending enhances the arms, wrist as well as chest muscles. At number 2, we have the iHuniu INC Arm Exercises Chest Expander Power Twister. This is a multifunctional exercise kit that will help you develop your grip while building strength for the upper body. It comes with a non-slip rubber handle and a high-density carbon steel construction to make sure that you get the most out of it. With this, you can rest assured that the training tool will remain very stable and safe as you work out the upper body. The good thing about this power twister is that it allows you to adjust its resistance strength levels. All that you need to do is rotate its nut for easy and convenient training. The resistance strength for this power twister ranges from 10 kilograms up to 150 kilograms. With this in mind, the power twister will be ideal for everyone regardless of skill level. And finally at number 1, we have the DEDAYL Adjustable Hydraulic Power Twister. This power twister allows you to adjust it to your desired resistance strength using its rotating knob. It actually offers a stepless adjustment from 22 to 330 pounds. So that you can achieve your fitness goals. Other than exercising your arms, the power twister will allow you to reduce abdominal fat and arm fat while building your chest muscles. The DEDAYL power twister also boasts a triangular design which ensures that it remains stable and safe while in use. Again, its opening angle remains the same even if you adjust the resistance strength, which makes it more effective. Other than that, This tool prides itself on patented hydraulic pressure protection. For this reason, it will remain safe with no spring breakages or deformation. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.